What's up, guys? It's just Jeff here. I'm here with Super Fox, today's official referee. Because today we're learning about time, seconds, minutes, hours. What are they? How long are they? And can I beat them in a race? All right, the ref says no. Time is undefeated, but we're gonna try anyways with some challenges that you can do right at your own home. Grab a grown-up, grab a timer, and let's go!
It's just Jeff, he's on the go with a big bright shirt and a whoa, whoa, whoa. Learning is fun, and so are you. Let's get ready for something new. It's just Jeff, here we go. Hey!
Okay, first things first. The second. This is the tiniest little guy on the time team. A second is like this. A clap. That's all it is. It's a clap. It's a wink. It's one Mississippi. You say it with me out loud.
One Mississippi.
Yes! You just used up a whole second. Gone. Gone. Forever. The good thing is, there's always more seconds. They just keep on coming. Every second. All right, time for our first challenge. It's called the 10-second sock storm. Here's the game. 10 seconds on the clock. How many sock balls can I make in the basket? Fox, you're on the clock. Friends at home, count along with us. Ready? Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Now we're gonna count to see how many pairs I made in here. See, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sock balls, 10 seconds. Not too shabby. Oh, you want a chance? Fine, buddy. All right, he gets 10 seconds. Let's see how many he can make. Four, 5, 6 sock balls in 10 seconds. That's a new world record. You didn't even take your referee shirt off. And that, friends, is how short 10 seconds is. It goes really fast. Now it's your turn at home. All you need is sock balls, a basket, and 10 seconds. Can you beat 5 in the basket? Can you beat 6? Please, for me, beat 6. He needs to be humble. Okay, next member of the time team is the minute. Here's the secret code. 60 seconds make up 1 minute. That is a lot of Mississippis. But how long does 1 minute feel? Let's figure it out using science. This is the 1 minute rainbow. Okay, here's what we do. We're gonna make a candy circle around the plate, alternating the colors. We should probably speed this up a little bit. This is gonna be boring. Okay, candy circle on the plate, then we're gonna pour warm water slowly in the middle. 1 minute on the clock, friend. Make a prediction. What's gonna happen? Yell it at your screen.
Rainbow! No!
Okay?
Candy soup!
Okay. I heard rainbow, I heard candy soup. I think you're gonna be right. Tune in, let's see. Oh, check it out. 1 minute. Look what a minute can do. Here's the science, friend. The warm water melts the candy shell and the color rides the wave toward the middle. And because all the candies melt at the same speed, the colors stay in their own lanes. Very polite, these candies. Great teamwork. Okay, so now we know a minute is long enough to make a rainbow, but is it long enough to do the bottle flip? Okay, 1 minute. Let's see how many times we can flip this bottle and get it to land on the table. Parents, you remember 2016, all the bottle flipping? Well, it's back. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, so that. Okay, 6 landings in 1 minute. That's 60 seconds. And I felt every single one of them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Referees aren't even supposed to play. Okay, your turn at home. 1 minute. Count your landings. Grown-ups, you have to try it too. It's the law. Okay, friend, the big one, the hour. 60 minutes go into an hour. So 60 seconds go into a minute, 60 minutes go into an hour. Time loves the number 60 for some reason. It's a whole thing. Okay, this is Private Ryan. He's an army guy and he's frozen in an iceberg. For our last challenge, we have to melt him free. Here's the tools you're allowed. A little warm water, salt, and patience. Let's see if I've got that one. Some water and some salt. Fox brought a book. Super Fox knows something I don't. Uh-oh. And that, friend, that is the thing about hours. Seconds are for claps, minutes are for rainbows, and hours are for the big stuff like baking cookies, road trips, melting an army guy out of an iceberg. Some things can't be rushed. So here's what we're gonna do. Movie magic. Hit it. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Private Ryan is free! It took 1 whole hour. You were so brave, buddy!
Thanks, Jeff.
Okay, quick science. Salt makes ice melt faster. It messes with the way water freezes. That's why trucks put salt on frozen roads during the winter. You just learned winter safety from a plastic army dude. What a day! Okay, friend, super fast recap, answer out loud with me. 1 clap is about 1 second. Yes! 60 seconds makes a minute. You got it. Okay, and 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Look at you, your brain is huge. Okay, and what comes after hours? Days. 24 hours equals 1 day. What comes after days? Weeks. What comes after weeks? Months. What comes after months? Years. And that's how we get birthdays. Time is how birthdays happen. Time is officially my best friend now. Happy birthday to me. Every second is a tiny present that you get to decide what you want to do with it. Some seconds are for sock storms, some hours are for waiting, but the good stuff is always worth the wait. I'm Jeff, and you're awesome. Go spend your seconds on something fun. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's just Jeff. Don't forget to subscribe.